CH Laser is always dedicated to becoming a premier expert in complete laser equipment solutions for the rapid developing e-drive motor industry. We offer optimized automation solutions dedicated for stator core production lines. Our solutions incorporate proprietary technologies and advanced equipment designed specifically for high-volume manufacturing of stator cores, enabling maximum productivity and quality. Fully automatic, which integrate laser welding, inspection and coating processes for stator core. High flexibility and expansibility, fixture module switching enables the production of different product specifications on a single manufacturing line. Can integrate with customer management systems for manufacturing execution system, MES, management. One-stop welding is a fully automated production process that boosting efficiency and quality. Automation reduces the risk of errors and inconsistencies that can occur in manual welding and inspection processes. Greater precision and accuracy results in higher quality products and better overall performance of e-drive motors. Together, let's shape the future of high-precision, eco-friendly laser manufacturing. We look forward to partnering with you.